pretty much everybody has to pay taxes, and Grant, with his new gleaming glasses company, is no exception. The way that taxes depend on income can be described by functions. But these are slightly different functions than ones we've seen before. Let's check them out. First things first, here's a chart showing how a person's yearly income determines the amount of money they will pay the government in taxes, where Grant lives. We can see that the tax rate over here, or the percent of their income that a person will pay the government in taxes, changes depending on how high the person's income is. The way this works is a little bit complicated, so bear with me here. Now, if someone makes under $5,000, please note this entire column is in dollars. So if someone makes under $5,000, their tax rate is 0%. So they actually don't have to pay the government anything at all. If someone's total income is between $5,000 and $15,000, the first $5,000 of their income is set aside and not taxed. Then what is left over is taxed at this 10% rate. If someone earns between $15,000 and $35,000 total, then, as with the person in this lower bracket, the first $5,000 of their income isn't taxed, the next $10,000 is taxed at 10%, and then the rest is taxed at 20%. If a person makes even more money than this total, then the amount above $35,000 is taxed at 30%. We can think of this tax rate scaling as a sort of layering effect. As we're counting up the money a person makes, we don't start by thinking about the total. We start by counting from 0 once we get to 5,000, then we start to add on a tax rate. And we keep counting up and up, increasing the rate when we need to.